Hello and welcome to IndiaInfoline.com. Market participants were eagerly looking forward to the September US Fed meet, wherein an element of participants were expecting the dust to eventually settle down as far as the move on the interest rates is concerned. To their surprise, Fed decided to maintain status quo on the rates. The central bank justified the move by stating that fragile global economy has dissuaded it from initiating a hike in the interest rates. Fed further elaborated that the recent economic and financial disorder across the globe can impact US economy and also lead to subdued inflationary levels. Markets now expect Fed to act either in October or December. However, we remain skeptical. The policy statement to us clearly seems to be more dovish as Fed is more concerned about the impact of overseas development in spite of the fact that US economy is largely driven by domestic consumption which is growing on a strong note. We take Fed's notion of subdued inflation being transient with a grain of salt. There are dim prospects of Fed attaining its inflation target of 2% in the short run, considering prolonged lower commodity prices and excess supply capacity. Fed's obsession with inflation is overshadowing the improvement in US consumer spending and GDP growth numbers. The current economic landscape justifies at least 25 basis point hike. We sense that Fed remains indecisive on the health of US economy and simply beating around the bush as far as the interest rate trajectory is concerned. Fed's inability to move on the rates portrays a complex situation. The problem with kicking the can down the road is that the global economic conditions are not at all poised to improve for the next few quarters. In fact, things can get worse before they get better. Effectively, we doubt whether Fed will have the courage to move on the rates this year. There could be a long pause before the first rate hike. Emerging markets might heave a sigh of relief as Fed's dovish language implies that the threat of capital outflows has mitigated, but the broader concerns regarding the health of global economy will keep on haunting various asset classes at regular intervals. In fact, the element of uncertainty will aggravate in the longer run.